got two questions in this activity. The first one, as I said, is what is the one thing that you like and dislike about your country? And the second one being, which city is your favorite and why? So I'm giving all of you 2 minutes to think about it, and then so this is our country. This entire boundary is where we have Pakistan. This green area is all Pakistan, right? So this is all our country. Then we have the neighbors. When we come to the neighboring countries of Pakistan, how many of you are aware of the neighbors of Pakistan? Can someone give me the responses of the neighboring countries of Pakistan? Okay, so please put your hands down if you can. All right. So now we've got Iran as the neighboring country. We've got Afghanistan, we've got China, and we've got India. Then we've also got Tajikistan as one of the neighbors of Pakistan. Tajikistan is counted as a neighbor, although it is separated by the Wakhan corridor. I'll write down the name for you so that it's easier to read. But Tajikistan and Pakistan are connected by the Wakhan corridor, and Tajikistan is also considered one of the neighbors of Pakistan. Because if we see this area, it's just this area, and after this is also Afghanistan, and then it's connected directly with Tajikistan. So it's considered a neighbor of Pakistan, and that is why we take Tajikistan also as a neighboring country. Now, from one side, Pakistan is surrounded by Iran, then Afghanistan, Tajikistan, China, India, and the frontier is open by to the Arabian Sea. All right. So we've got 5 neighbors, and we've got the Arabian Sea. All right. Now, moving on towards the provinces. Now, how many provinces are there? So we learned that there are 5 provinces in Pakistan. The first one being Sindh, or that we discussed. Sindh is right here. I think everyone's aware of it. Sindh is right here uh, in this area of the map. Then we have Balochistan, which is probably this area, like just somewhere from here, and then it's divided. Then we have Punjab, which is from here and all this area. NWFP, or which was the name earlier for Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, that is KPK, and that province is right here. All right. And then we have Gilgit-Baltistan, which is this, right? This top region is Gilgit-Baltistan. Now we had another place, or we have another place, which is called the disputed territory. That is Kashmir, right? So just to know, anyone has any idea what the disputed territory means? Yes, as Saif said, um, the a disputed territory is any place where there's a disagreement over the possession or the control of a place. Now, in the case of Kashmir or Jammu and Kashmir, it is a disputed territory between India and Pakistan, as all of us are aware. All right. Now what I want you to do is, we've done this activity. We'll just note down the neighboring countries and the provinces of Pakistan on a piece of paper that is in your exercise books below this activity. And that is about it for the day. So I'll write it down and you guys can copy it. Okay. This is all for today. So I just want all of you to write down these things in your exercise books underneath the activity that we've done. And anything that is left out, you can see the YouTube